Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to log out from WhatsApp on Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now there is no immute option over here on WhatsApp to log out from this WhatsApp app. Now if you want to log out of this WhatsApp, first of all back up all your chats. For that, tap on these chats, scroll down and over here is chat backup. Tap on this and after that tap on this backup. Now it's gonna take some time to back up your message. Wait for a while and all the messages will be back up. And now you can see backup is done on my phone. Now go back and after that go to settings and over here find this apps and now tap on this apps info. Now you can see here is WhatsApp over here. I'll tap on this. And after that, tap on this storage. And now over here you can see here is clear cache and clear data. Tap on this clear cache at first. And after that, tap on this clear data as well. And now tap on this OK. And now if I go to WhatsApp, you can see we are successfully logged out. So in this way we can log out from WhatsApp on Android phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.